The rabbits are eating the set again. We're testing out or trying to prove that Lidl has the most fresh vegetables, fruit and vegetables in supermarkets. So to do that, we've brought in the experts that test freshness and can demonstrate what is the freshest, which is, of course, our gorgeous rabbits.
Yeah, I'm just here for the carrots.
And the lettuce.
Guys, lettuce?
You need to be very, very quiet at all times. Rabbits are very extremely sensitive animals.
The rabbits have 100 million scent receptors, so when they detect fresh vegetables, their nose starts twitching rapidly.
First, we selected the freshest food, which of course at Lidl they just call food. And then we selected the not so fresh food. And then just let the bunny sniff.
As experts, we'd rather go for the Lidl product.
Thank you very much. It's a wrap.